Hello guys, it's our 24th day and I came late, little bit late, so I did nothing and I apologize for that one. So a special guy who has been absent for many days came today. I will be showing you that guy. So he is the guy.
Hi guys.
He has gone to home for some important work.
Yeah,
What-
I already told to audience that I went somewhere.
So what are those important works for whom you went there?
Bro, sorry guys, it's confidential. I can't tell you.
Achha, how
where
many
I-
important things you done there?
In 3 days I did 6 important.
Oh my
But I
God.
can't tell you which kind of important things are there.
But by seeing their face, you can assume that what are the important thing that he has done.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what are the things that you can want to say? Do you want to share anything
Yeah,
from your trip?
Yeah, I miss you a lot, guys. I miss this gym, but now I will be consistent for whole semester.
Okay.
And regarding my trip, it was great trip. I really missing that days. The last week I was with some special work,
Oh.
special persons,
With some special guy.
special guys.
Yeah. Guys.
Oh, special persons.
Okay.
I hope
Persons or person? Achha, let it be.
I hope
I will
you
not
can
reveal
you
anything.
adjust. Yeah,
Okay.
and don't comment anything regarding
Lohit,
whom
our
they-
constant,
especially my
our,
CR.
our constant supporter will be commenting if
Yeah.
he will be saying it.
Yeah,
So,
but don't do that.
What are the things that you done today?
So from Monday, it's a Monday, so we have started with chest. Tomorrow is Tuesday, we'll do back. For today, Aditya Starboy and one more paid member came to our gym.
We were unable to feature them.
Yeah.
But
Sorry
he
for
will
that.
be in the clip.
Yeah, but he will be in the clip. We have recorded that paid person special appearance.
Okay.
I hope you will enjoy it.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
So, now comes our star boy.
Yeah.
So first I will be showing.
No, he
Diwakar
will
only.
say the quote of the day now.
Huh?
That is the boy.
Okay. So what are your things?
Now we have swapped our roles. Now he will do quote of the day, Diwakar.
Okay.
Oh,
So I have heard from somewhere that you are throwing some treat.
Yeah,
Huh?
today's treat, bro.
We are going to Roy, na?
It will be a small treat in hostel only. Like
No.
because you have to
No,
give.
it will be a betrayal.
It is a,
Yeah.
maybe pizza party like that.
No. You are taking all of us to Roy.
No, bro.
That's it. We will not compromise.
No, bro.
Yeah. We will find one collaborator with you. Diwakar will be the another collaborator.
Obviously.
So here comes Diwakar.
So I swapped my job with
Okay.
Aditya job today. I will say the quote of the day today. So today's quote is, to accomplish great things, we must not only act,
Okay.
but also dream, and not only plan, but also believe.
Great. Can you elaborate it?
It is the whole elaborated quote that to accomplish.
Can you repeat it one more time?
It is like to accomplish great things, we must not only act. That means that is clear and
Okay.
elaborated.
Yeah. Anyone
Yeah,
can
yeah,
understand
But
it.
also dream,
Yeah.
not only plan, but also believe.
Yeah.
Dreaming is also important.
Important.
Planning is also important. Believing is also important.
Yeah, dream and believe is most important, and act and plan is more important.
Okay. Bye. Bye guys.
तो आज कैसा लग रहा है शिवांश जिम में आके
भाई मैं तो एरोबिक एक्सरसाइज करने वाला था भाई हैंडसोल ऐसे वाला
करके रहा हूँ ये बात कल से आओगे आप
आज का हो गया भाई 4 हफ्ते का
फॉर्म कैसी आ रही
Little bit arc is less.
सुन रहे हैं आर किस लेस You can do it, Aditya. You can do it.
बढ़िया